everyone, welcome to External Star Channel. My name is Marek, as you already know, and today I will be reviewing this beautiful model from BoS, which is the best of show, and the model is actually Tatra 603, the Soviet bloc car, which is weird and luxury. Yeah, and actually, what is this car? This is, as I already said, the Tatra 603, a full-size luxury car with rear air-cooled 2.5-liter V8 engine and rear-wheel drive, offering room for up to 6 passengers. Okay. Actually, the production already started in 1956 in the Czech Republic, and over the years the company manufactured 3 different versions of the car. Yeah, version 1, 2, and 3. And yes, this is actually one amazing model. Why is this so special? Yeah, because we could call it the Porsche Panamera of the Soviet bloc. It had an aerodynamically tuned body with sleek design and gently sloping roofline. Yeah, and also luxurious interior, we will check it later, and also plenty of room. And this V8 here was air-cooled, which makes it even more Porsche than the Porsche itself. Wow, that's really one amazing car. So as I said, this was produced in the Czech Republic, or actually in the Czechoslovakia, which was there before. It's the predecessor of the Czech Republic. Okay, so now this car was really dedicated only for the politicians and party leaders. Nobody else could drive it. And now I think I should start the review already in the front. Okay, so you see here the beautiful headlights, 4 of them, nicely done, and also the turning lights here, you see, and we have some additional lights here with this yellow color, and the license plate only says Tatra, but there is also this detail. It says 603 here also just below this logo. Yeah, so here's the Tatra logo. By the way, nowadays Tatra only manufactures trucks and, you know, some bigger machines, and there are no more passenger cars produced by this company. You see the bumper here, shiny, and here we have also those 2 pieces on the bumper. Maybe it's a mini bumper on the big bumper. I don't know how else to call those 2 pieces here, but nice. This model, of course, is fully resin. You cannot open it. It's fully closed, so no access, but it doesn't matter because it's beautiful. And I like the paint. Look at the paint quality here. You can really see how reflective it is. There's a little bit of dust already, some dust particles, but it's there all the time. So I would need to be cleaning this every day to avoid the dust. When we check from the side, yeah, so you see how sloping the roof here is. This design is really, really amazing. And actually, 1/3 of the production was exported to some Central and Eastern European countries, but as well to Cuba or China. Yeah, it was believed even the former Cuban President Fidel Castro had a white T603 with air conditioning. I'm not sure if this is true, but here we go. Very nice design with those stripes here, and there is this air intake here. Wow, and then a very huge window in the back. Look at that. Here, this window is really something special. Okay, then we have another logo here, and very nice typical rear lights here, and also additional here on the bumper. And here again, those little bumpers on the big bumper, and 2 exhausts here, and again this Tatra license plate. But I really like this huge window, which is split here in the middle, so it's actually 2 pieces, but it looks like 1. Wow, amazing design piece. And what I also like are the wheels, which still have this beautiful design, because the tires back then they had this white stripe, which I personally like a lot. And then the middle, this is just a chrome part, very reflective. You can see a little bit of my face now, yeah, a piece. Wow, okay, so we have also the door handles, separate pieces here, and actually the glass is very thin, but not in the front. Wow, so actually on the sides it's very thin, but here it's thick here and also in the back. Wow, they use maybe plastic a little bit thicker than usual, and I like it. We also have the wipers, and of course we have on one side this rear mirror, which is also great and amazing. Okay, so what else could I tell you? Yeah. So maybe something about that until 1968, all four wheels had the drum brakes that were replaced by disc brakes later on. Interestingly, the first 603s featured 3 headlamps, and the central one was linked to the steering, a feature already used in the T77A, a model from 1934. But this one here, it has 4 headlamps and it's also beautiful. I think I personally prefer 4 headlamps, not 3, okay? So now let me also show you a little bit of details in the interior. Okay, so I will just zoom in a little bit. You can see the red seats with black stripes. In the back it's luxury red, only red leather, very beautiful. Maybe from the other side, you know, it's a sealed model, so I cannot really show you everything, but look at that, the steering wheel. Wow, will it focus? There is the radio, gauges clusters. Yeah, it's actually quite nicely done interior. Okay, but let's go back, yeah, because as I said, it's really difficult to make pictures on a model interior when it's not fully 360 accessed, but that's okay. So maybe just a few more words about the legacy and Tatra today. Okay, so the production of this car ended in 1975, and it is unknown how many of them saw the light of the day. Some sources claim 20,422, others say only 6,000 left the factory. So actually we don't know, nobody knows how incredible it is that we don't know how many were produced. So it really remains as an icon and proof the beauty comes from the being different and weird. Today, Tatra only makes trucks, as I already mentioned, which have independent suspension and powerful air-cooled diesel engines. Their trucks can conquer all of the tough terrains from Africa desert to Siberian tundras and are one of few trucks in the world that can pull a tank out of a ditch. So that's the Tatra today, and this is the history, and I'm really loving this one, and I'm really so glad that I have it in my collection. Even if this is fully sealed and I cannot open it, it's really so precious and so beautiful. So thank you, BoS, for creating or recreating this one in 1:18 scale. It's a miracle, and thank you for this blessing. Thank you and see you next time. Now only time for the final rating, so thank you and bye-bye. Thanks for watching.